The only place he gets a release is going forward. And if he tries to turn and face us, depending which direction he's going, we're gonna pull on the outside rein. If he tries to turn back towards the wall, when we don't want him to, we're gonna pull on the inside rein. Since we have the reins low, and behind his butt, he can't make a turn on us. So right there, he looks in towards the wall. I can stop that by pulling this inside rein here and send him forward again. If he doesn't hear my cue, I can give him a little pop on the butt with the outside rein. So you see this is his bad side here. But every time he gets himself in a bind, we're able to just straighten him out and keep him going forward.